Yo, how's everybody doing? Figured let's hop on for a little bit. Let's hop on. Let's get the music up here. All right, let's see. Some music going as well. AMC pushed up to $16.30. Beautiful to see. Slight breakout out of this wedge, but we could see if this is a false one or not. Today, wow, the SPY is cranking, but today I was expecting the SPY to take a little bit of a breather, and all of these to take a little bit of a breather as well. Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? Just figured let's hop on for a couple minutes because it's a beautiful day outside, and you know, just watching the market, but kind of wanted to see how you guys were doing. Prog sold off. See how MULN is doing. MULN still up 26%, holding green on the day. Hit a high of $3.83. AMC cranking 1634, the high of the day. I'm good on you. I'm pretty good actually. I had a nice week last week. It was kind of a long week but short week. I don't know if that makes sense. It felt super short, but at the same time it was like that was only a week. I don't know if it was long or short, but overall I'm doing good. Glad you're doing good. AMC is cranking, hanging out right around here. Let's see how GameStop is going green, but there's almost no volume in it. Kind of boring to check out. Let's see how the SPY is still moving. $445. Jeez, the SPY is still moving. The next spot you could get rejected at is 448 on the SPY. We'll see how that works. See how the IWM is doing. IWM going green as well, pressing. You could see this reflect in the AMC. But again, I did expect a little bit of a correction today. I think this could be some sort of a Monday fake out, so we'll see what happens. I hope AMC squeezes as well. What price do you think AMC will be by this week? Honestly, if I take a look at it and be realistic with you, I want to give my realistic opinion, but just real quick, I could be 100% wrong, but my expectation is, let's see, I see the overall market taking a little bit of a breather, probably getting somewhere around this zone. Probably see AMC move with it. All right, my best case scenario is AMC breaks 2150 for the week. That would be amazing for me. That would be best case scenario because that is my confirmation level for the next big breakout, as well as the other small cap squeeze plays like MULN, BBIG, Prog, things like that. But what I actually think it will be at by the time the week is over is tough to say, because let's say the SPY doesn't go green the rest of the week and it actually starts selling off. You could see, I just use the SPY as the overall market, but IWM as well. But you could see AMC start trailing to the downside for a little while, right? Because there's still a little bit of room in this pennant that we've been in. There's about a week or two left in it, and that could be the worst case scenario. But I do think we get up to at least 18, and at that level is where it almost decides to be a false breakout or a non-false breakout. You'll be able to tell somewhere around that level. AMC kind of trading sideways right now, but I think it's just cooling off for another leg up. Let's see how the IWM is doing. IWM cooling off as well. SPY is not cooling whatsoever. MULN still moving. MULN cooling off. Prog is selling off hard. Prog is selling off hard. Let's see. There's some gainers. Prog is really getting smacked. D-D-D-I-D-I. Moving. Okay. Fighting some resistance. Let's see. V-E-O-N. Oh, getting smacked. V-E-O-N puts, question mark? Yeah, depending on how low, hang on, let me actually edit this really quick. How much will MULN go? This is something I've actually been looking at. I'm gonna tell you in 1 second after I update. I'm gonna update the stream title. Let's see, 940. Some great coffee. Some great coffee. Live. Let me know if title changes for you. Also, you are a great mod, by the way. I just wanted to put that out there. You are the best mod. Let's see. MC. Let's see. One second. Just trying to do this. I appreciate you hopping in. I'm going to run and grab something really fast, but I want to talk MULN when I hop. If you're back on the stream in 1 second, but I will be right back. I want to talk MULN. Yo. Who's in here? Yo, how you guys doing? We are back on the stream. MULN selling off. Let's check out. All right. So real quick, while I was gone, someone asked, what will MULN run to? Now, there's no, must be at work watching the line. 100 shares of MULN, 1 call. All right, yeah. Someone was asking how high MULN will go. Also, guys, let me know if the music is too loud. I'll lower this a little bit. It's hard to give an exact price, but the fact that this stock, you just know, is insanely shorted. Hold on 1 second here. My laptop is not loading. What's going on with the connection. All right. MULN is one of these stocks, sort of like AMC, but less of a retail following. It's still highly shorted and highly manipulated. So depending on if you want to factor in synthetics and things like that, let me fix this network error my laptop is having so I can actually look at the price. I don't know why this is doing this to me. Well, guys, while this is happening, how is your day going? Here we go. All right. MULN. Previously, in the most recent terms, it's been higher, but previously has been almost to $16. Can that happen again? Personally, I do think so. I do think with, depending on how screwed the shorts get and the market makers that are fucking around with this stock, I do think it can get there. What is that? That's thousands of %. I don't know if it's going to go there, but MULN, I do think does have the potential to get all the way up there again. And if not, I'm really looking at $6 to be, if we break over $4, you're looking for a run all the way up to 6 or 590, somewhere in that zone. And that's already hundreds of % of gain off of one confirmation level. Overall, I think I'm a bit late to MULN, but depending on the sell-off we get with the market today or tomorrow, I think these small cap squeeze plays are going to be a bit on sale. And I plan on hopping in of MULN with at least 100 to 200 shares and just selling covered calls. Just play it the safe way. That's probably my goal with MULN, to be honest. And then just playing the 1348 on the SPY. That's about my plan right now. Well, let's see how our baby AMC is doing. AMC just got smacked 1611. Highs of 1655. Okay, this is getting smacked 1605. Let's see. Pepper, in the house. All right, let's see.
Come here.
My connection thing.
Inside.
Oh man, my dog is not like to listen. Okay, let's see. Everyone hopping in, I appreciate you guys hopping in. Let me know what tickers you want to look at, because we are looking at MULN, AMC, Prog, BBIG. I made 60K on, you made 60K on MULN? That is fire. That is fire. Are you still in? Are you getting back in? You bought MULN at $1.40. That is also super good price to get in at. Let's see, this music keeps glitching on me. Super annoying. Yeah, guys, I had a really busy week last week, so the videos I know weren't being pumped out as much, but I did get everything I wanted to say out on the last video, the last full video. All right, like I said, all of these squeeze plays, small caps, mid caps are getting smacked. Let's take a look at how the SPY is doing. SPY is looking like it's taking a breather. Oh, IWM got absolutely obliterated. This is what we said when we first started the stream. This could be a trap because it was fighting the zone that we've been looking at in the videos, and it did not get the breakout. And you're expecting it to cool off a bit, and this is exactly what you get. Oh my God, the IWM is absolutely getting smacked. $206.40 right now, lows of the day. Absolutely getting obliterated. And if you guys don't know it, if you guys don't know the zone we've been looking at in the videos, I'll just show it. I don't know how good it's gonna come out, but you can take a look. It hugged right against it, fighting that resistance on that zone multiple times. Yeah, the Joker did great. The Joker did great. Let's see what you say. I'm glad I didn't buy 100,000 shares. I'm mad I didn't buy sounds. Okay. Sold at 355 today. That's a good price to hop out at, especially because these could get smacked at any moment, which is exactly what you're seeing. This is exactly what you're seeing going on. MULN only up 17% now on the day. It's trying to hold. If this doesn't hold, it looks like you have two. Well, you have at least a gap fill, a dangerous one, down to about $1.76. That could be a risky loss, or you just have the gap fill that chances are it's going to happen down to $3.20, or maybe even go a little bit lower than that just because of top wick. But that is what you could see. I'm looking at $3.20 for the next level for MULN to attempt to hold at. Hopefully, if it keeps getting smacked. AMC smacked, IWM smacked. Let's check out Prog. Prog is getting absolutely obliterated the most. I haven't checked on BBIG in quite a bit. BBIG is actually holding this $2.90 level, which is what I like to see. It had resistance at $3.22, somewhere around that zone. Is there a gap fill on BBIG? Let's check. Oh, yeah. BBIG is risky to hop in right now if you're not in. There's a gap fill down to $2.57. Also a risky play to hop in right now. But remember, guys, the plan for the day, I need to make 10K. What's the next play? You don't have to make it in a big chunk, but if I were to give you the next 10K big chunk play, quick in and out, I couldn't do it on the spot right now. You'd have to be, I'd have to put it out in the Discord and dig in a little bit. I can't just give you like, this is gonna shoot up, because I'd have to dig a little bit. But if you want to make consecutive income up to that 10K, you want to learn the 1348 strategy and use it on the SPY. That's a good strategy to use. Also, selling covered calls, safer. You're going to scale up to 10K a lot slower, though. That is my outlook on that. But I did want to, this could be the next 10K play, and it could absolutely do nothing and stay flatline because there's shit for volume. But depending on if these small cap, mid caps keep moving and the market actually gets this bull run breakout, I want you to keep a side eye on TKAT. And the reason I say that is because this stock is known for coming out unexpectedly and just shooting up at random times because it is highly shorted into the ground. And it seems like they're nearing rock bottom with it. And I do think that's something to keep a side eye on. Look at CEI. CEI moving. CEI up 11%. CEI is about to run even higher. See where CEI is going to go. I'm looking at $1 flat for CEI. And then honestly, not much resistance. You're going to look all the way up to around 130. You're going to have some good gains on CEI if you got in pre-market or this morning. Looks like it's running. Is there any? I want to check the overall market news if there's anything going on. SPY got obliterated. This is what we wanted to see. We wanted to see a healthy correction, and whether you want to quote this healthy or not because of how harshly it's getting smacked, just look how harshly it's been running over the past week. Ultimately, I think this bleed stops on the SPY. There's a lot to drop. I think you can come all the way down and test this trend line at $435. And ultimately, that's what I'm looking at, 434, 435. Whether I'm off by cents or a dollar, that's the level I'm looking at. Overall, guys, I just wanted to hop on the stream and check in with everybody and make sure you are all doing well. Whose base is coming? It's someone's base. Oh, my neighbor. I appreciate you guys all hopping in. I do have some stuff to get done. I have to go to the gym and I have to do some stuff for my room. Overall, I will be updating the market either through YouTube Shorts or on the Discord. If you want to join, there's a free link under any video. But I appreciate you all hopping in. Please smash the like on your way out. And maybe we will be back on here after I get a few things done. But I love you all, guys. Remember that. Appreciate the support. That's pretty much it. We are going to hop off this live. Thank you all for jumping in. 50 shares of TCAT. I'll keep averaging down about 100. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, guys, enjoy your day. We will keep checking in.